One pointer I had forgotten as I'm stitching this or tacking this is I was just tacking on the edge of each one, but doing that creates a bit of a high point, and which again is a heat sink. So that will take the heat instead of the weld actually penetrating into the metal and flattening out. That's why Phil's welds were so much better than mine. I'm also going to give this TIG wire a try by myself and see if I can't fill this gap. So right here, you can just barely see the two dimples that were in that last weld. I didn't quite overlap this tack with this one, and then again with this tack to this one. I need to just overlap that just a bit more, and then those will not pull through the way they did. Overall though, super happy with how that turned out.